Want to master SwiftUI, Firebase, login and sign up the easy way? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a complete app with Async Await, made simple for you. This is the app we will create. The user's credentials are stored in Firebase. We will now navigate to Firebase URL. At the moment, the authentication table is empty. There's no users in the table at the moment, but this will be populated later on. To demonstrate this feature, I will now create a new user's account. So to create a new user's account, we need to click on the sign up button. I'll just create an account. Password, I'll just enter test 123. Test 123 to confirm. Click on sign up. As you can see, when I refresh the browser, you'll see that there's a user that's been created within Firebase now. After creating a new account or logging in, the user is then navigated to the new contact screen that will allow the user to create a new contact, but that will be implemented in later tutorials. The user can also manage their accounts, such as sign out or delete the account. So if I click on sign out, I will be redirected to the login screen. Now I will log back in. I think the password was test 12345, or maybe it was test 6 at the end, or was it 123? Yes, it was test 123 for the password. Now I'll demonstrate that the user can delete their accounts. So if I show the browser again, you'll see that it has one account in the browser, which is within the authentication table within Firebase. Just loading at the moment. So there's one account. So now I'll delete the account. And then I will refresh the browser. As you can see, the user has been deleted from Firebase Authentication database table. So this is the tutorial we'll be creating. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials. In this tutorial, we will create the sign-up view model and the auth view model. The first thing we need to do is to create a new Swift file. Name the file sign view model. Import the following frameworks, which includes observation, we also need to import Firebase, and now we can start to implement our class, which is called sign up view model. Class sign up view model, full name, email, confirm password, is password visible? Is confirmed password visible? And also we need a user ID variable, which is optional. Error message, which is also optional. Is loading false? We also need to create a session object variable, which is session manager, and this will need to be injected into our initializer. Self.session equals session. So that includes a little bit of dependency injection. Now we have to create some functions, sign up user, async, guard, it should be guard passwords, equals to confirm password. So what that means is that if the passwords are the same, then it's okay. Enable the user to continue with the sign up. And if it's not the same password, then we just display an error message, passwords do not match. Lines 33, that should be confirm password. Then we need to type return to execute the guard statement and execute the function if the passwords are not the same. So why doesn't it like password, guard password? It seems like I've forgotten to create a password variable here. So that should be var password. So the passwords are the same, so we can attempt the following. So we attempt to create a new user within Firebase. Let auth results equals try await auth dot auth create user. That should be create user. Create user with email and password. So it's the second overloaded function that we need. But we don't need the completion. Password, email. Let user equals auth result dot user. Cannot find auth. Oh, that's why, because we need to import Firebase auth. And then we need to catch any errors that might happen. Just compile it. Compiled. We will be creating on the course. The application includes 3 buttons on the main menu, which are create to-dos, list all to-dos, or to-do stats. Clicking on create to-dos enables the user to add a new to-do. For example, I'll create one right now. The to-do is to collect relative from airport. Master core data and build real apps like to-do lists with notifications, pie charts, and address lookup. Learn advanced SwiftUI techniques and gain the skills to create professional apps. Join now and start your journey. The next thing we need to do is to get the user's display name. So we just type in change request equals user dot create profile change request. change request, display name equals full name, try await, change request, and then commit changes. So now we've committed the changes, the username will be stored within the profile. And now we can have access to the username using the session manager instance object. Session dot user email equals email. Session dot is logged in is equal to true. And these variables and objects, they will be used within our settings UI view later on. And then we will capture any errors that might happen, and then just display the localized description of the error. Is loading equals to false, since we have now created the user's profile. I'll just compile it again. To reduce the length of the video, we will create the author view in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials.